Mrs. Neha Sandeep Bhagwat. Today I am going to teach you Geography lesson number 4, that is air pressure. Student, you know that air is a mixture of various gases and moisture and dust particle. You know that air means atmosphere. So atmospheres, they contain many spheres like troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, exosphere and ionosphere. So in that troposphere, the content of the air and mixture of the gases are very much high in proportion. You know that as we go up, the air becomes rare. As mountain areas, they carry the oxygen cylinder for their breathing. So we will see what is air pressure. We will see today what is air and what is the air pressure. Pressure means what? Exerting of something on the surface. Means air has a pressure. You know that balloon. Balloon means we blow the air in that balloon and it volume of the balloon get increases. At that, as that balloon go up in the upward direction, at that time it moves fast. Why? Because air has a pressure. Understand? So increasing pressure of the air, that creates many phenomenon on the surface of the earth like cyclone, storms. You know that on that 3rd June, the Nisarga Chakriwadal or Nisarga cyclone has occurred. That was a phenomenon of air pressure. This air pressure is not same everywhere on the earth. That pressure is different in different regions. Polar region, that is different. Then desert region, that is different. At seashore, that is different. Means all the parts of the world, that pressure is different. So not same at all the time and all the places, that keeps on changing. Getting? Student, you know that this air pressure is dependent on altitude. What is meant by altitude? Altitude means height. Height from sea level. You know that mountain areas, they carry the cylinder of the oxygen because oxygen is necessary for breathing, and the proportion of the oxygen in higher altitude, that is very rare. As we go up, the air becomes rare or thinner. So we have to carry the oxygen cylinder with us for mountaineering or climbing the mountain. We see another example. You know that we blow the balloon on Republic Day or 15th August. So that balloons are nitrogen balloon. At certain limit, that balloon's speed get decreases. Why? Because the pressure of the air decreases, and that is why the speed of that balloon is also decreases. Understand? Student, you know that one more point is there, that is temperature. You know temperature means that due to that temperature, air get expand. So that proportion of the air get expand, and the air become rare and rare and rare. So proportion of the temperature is high, the air pressure is low. That is very inverse proportion between pressure and temperature. Temperature, you know that the temperature is closely related to the air pressure. When that temperature increases, the air becomes heated and that expands and it go ups, and that is why the temperature means temperature of the environment, atmosphere is getting heated, but the air going up, and that is why only we feel very hot that time, because the temperature is not only increasing, but air is become rare in that surface of the earth. Another example of lantern. We lit the lantern in Diwali. So paper lantern. So that lantern we keep some diya in that lantern and we flew it up. What happened when we lit the lantern? At that time the air and concentration of the air in that lantern, it getting heated and the temperature increases, and that why pressure is decreases, and that is why it lit up high and high, flew up high and high up, and uh, that lantern flies up. Understand? 1 2 3 start. What we learned today? So we will summarize this up to this temperature. So air is a mixture of moisture, water vapor and some gases. So air pressure means something exerting on the air on the surface, that is air pressure, and that air pressure is caused due to, that is a phenomenon, storms, cyclone, these are the phenomenon due to earth air pressure. So many things are influencing to the air pressure, as like that altitude, as we go up the concentration of the air becomes rare, and near the surface that concentration of air is higher, so we can breathe easily on the surface of the earth. But as we go up on the mountain we don't breathe easily, that is why we carry the cylinder of the oxygen. Temperature is another influencing factor on the pressure. As the temperature is increasing, the pressure decreasing, that is temperature and pressure, they are inversely proportionate to each other. So why this is so? The temperature getting high, at that time the air of the pressure pressure of the air becomes. So student, this was all for today, and we will see remaining part later. Thank you. Have a good day.